go now to your respective places.
And now, may on Miss Rino Marie Arvois, a grade 10 St. Raphael student, for her words of gratitude. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good evening to all of our honored guests, respected school administrators headed by Mr. Louis James M. Santiago, beloved teachers, dear parents, supportive friends, and my fellow completers. Today is a day of joy, reflection, and heartfelt gratitude. As we stand at the end of our junior high school journey, I am filled with appreciation for all the people who have guided and supported us along the way. During our junior high school days, we were bombarded with so many challenges, most especially in our academics. These challenges made us ask ourselves, kaya ko pa ba? Kaya mo pa ba? Nakakapagod na talaga at hindi ko na yata kakayanin. And it all seems so impossible to finish, impossible to achieve. And quite frankly, we know that the majority of us have been in the exact same situation, wherein we were filled with self-doubts and fear of failing in everything that we worked for. Of course, it's not so easy, but we have overcome it all. But despite all those challenges, look at us now. Nasaan na ba tayo? Andito na tayo ngayon, sa huling yugto ng pagiging grade 10. Completers na tayo. Sumakses din sa wakas. First and foremost, we give thanks to God. Through every challenge and every triumph, He has been our source of strength and wisdom. His guidance has led us to this moment, reminding us that